We're going to have a look at book openers now, but we're going to do it differently today. We're going to interlace the hands behind the back of the head. Legs are stacked on top of each other. Make sure your ribs are leading the way. So you're going to draw your ribs back and you're going to slowly open up so that your chest comes towards the ceiling. Take a moment to pause there and feel that release. You don't have to keep your hip stacked. The hip can move back too, and then make your way back. It's a lovely way if you're feeling a bit stressed and you can't breathe properly, you've been running around, your shoulders are tight, then you can do this. Now, if you find that this is uncomfortable on your shoulders, you could always take your hands here and you can put a pillow under your head and you can just open the arm behind you and come back. So plenty of different options. Play with it and see what feels the most comfortable for you to get that delicious stretch. And of course, you would be doing that on the other side too.